Here we're going to look at what's meant by a function increasing or decreasing. We always look at what happens to the curve as we move across the x-axis from left to right. So we need to move across the curve in this direction. Along this section, the curve is going upwards. Therefore, the curve is increasing in this section. The gradient is positive, going from bottom left to top right. And this would be shown in the gradient function dy dx, as dy dx would be positive. If we now move to the next section of curve, we can see along this section the curve is going downwards. It's decreasing. The gradient is negative, going from top left to bottom right. And since the gradient is negative, it follows the gradient function dy dx would be negative. Finally, continuing to go across in the positive x direction, this section of curve is increasing once again. It has a positive gradient, and the gradient function dy dx is once again positive. So to summarize, a function is increasing if dy dx is positive and decreasing if it is negative.